Okay, so now you can see that we are here. So first we have to make this. So for making this, we're gonna go here and we're gonna add the two section layout. Okay, like this. Here we can make. Here we can write footer. Okay, and here also we can make this like this. Okay, now you can see that we have to, I think, add this color also. So we can go here, and here we can add this color like VG blue. Okay, and here we can add the 80 pixel at the top, 80 pixel at the bottom. Okay, now you can see that here in the first row. So first we have to add one container here. Okay, and here we have to enter this image, and here you can see we have this icon. Okay, and here we can have this custom, and here we can have this like identify. Now we're gonna search for the social icons. Okay, so here we have the social icons. Okay, then this is the container. Then we can make everything in like this. Okay, here you can see we have this hover effect on this. So you can also add here some more, like if you want some Instagram, you can add the Instagram here. You can put your links here. Okay, now you can see we have this rounded square. So let's make this circle, and this is auto columns, and here you can see if you want only one column you can make this one. It will be like this. So right now we can make this auto. Okay, here we can choose the custom, and here we can set the sky blue. This is white. Okay, let's change the size of this. You can just change the size of this here. Okay, like this you can just update here paddings. Now we can add the icon hover color. On hover we have to give this red color, and also the hover animation would be grow like this. Okay, so you can see, and this should be clickable. So click on this image content, and here you can see links, custom URL, and here you can choose the site URL. Okay, like this. Okay, now you can see it is coming here link. Now we have to add this. Let's publish this first, add condition entire site, and save and close. Okay, now you can see we have to add a divider. So let's add the divider here. Okay, and here you can see we can make this like this. Okay, and here also we can make this like this. Okay, you can just adjust the colors. Okay, now you can see we can add this here text editor. Okay, and here we can just copy this content, little bigger content. Okay, now you can see we have this here, so we can add a container here. Okay, and here we can have the icon list. Okay, icon list, and here we can add this. Okay, we can delete this, and here we can add this like map. Okay, and here we can have this and make this sky blue. Okay, and now we can duplicate this. Here you can see we have the container for this, make everything in the center. Okay, now we can just duplicate this. Here we can add this. Okay, and here we can choose the phone icon. Okay, and here also we can choose this Elementor theme. Means icon we have to choose this here. Okay, we can update this. Okay, you can see this is looking good. Now we have to add this quick links. You can see this, there is no gaps here. So let me rename this left and also rename this right footer. And here we can add a gap of 60. Okay, and we can make this at the start. Okay, now you can see inside this we have to add the two containers. Okay, we can just click on this and we can make this like this. Okay, here we can add this quick links. Okay, and here we can also make this black like this. So now we can add this list here. Okay, we can search for the list here, and here we can just remove this and make this home. Okay, and here also we can make this about services. Okay, you can just put your random things here like blocks, contact. Okay, and here we can just make this 10. Okay, like this. Here also you can see we have these lines, so these are the divider. Okay, like this, and you can just increase the space here like this. Okay, this is looking good. Now we have to just you can see you can just put some gap at the top like 20. Okay, and here also we can delete this and we can duplicate this like this. Okay, here we can give this 40, 60. Okay, like this, and here we can just change the content like here we have the services, and here also you can write architecture and decorating. Okay, so you can just change the content here. Okay, so you can just change the update the content. Okay, let's save. And here also we can have this like 100. If you have to put 100 gap like this, now we can just go here and we can visit this and we can make this here. If I go below, you can see we have this footer looking like this. Okay, okay, and here you can just put some more gap like this is too much. You can put 40 here, so it will have some gap, and we can also remove the gap of this like 20. Also, if you want to put the hover color on this, you can just go to the text, hover, and here you can put the red color. So when you hover, it will have some red color, and you can also pay the styles same. Okay, let's publish. Okay, now we have to make this copyright section. So for that, we're gonna add this. Okay, and here we can write copyright, and here we can also make this like sky blue. Okay, so this is not the sky blue. Let me copy this color. Okay, here we can copy this like color of this, and we can save this color from here, dark blue. Okay, great. So you can save this color. Now you can see we have this, so we can just copy this. Okay, and here go here, and here we can make like 20 to the top and to the bottom. And for this, delete this. Okay, first go to text and we're gonna make this to white. Okay, then here again we can, okay, terms of service privacy policy. So we can go here and here we can write terms of service. Okay, and here we can change this like privacy policy and cookie policy. Okay, policy, and we can make this like this, space between this 20, 30, and here we have the divider. Okay, here we can have this 60. Okay, and for the divider color we can make this transparent like this. Okay, now we can just duplicate this, and here we can just write copyright. Okay, and we can have this copyright text here. Okay, like this, and let's publish. Okay, now if I go here and we're gonna refresh this, and after refreshing, if I go below, you can see we have this copyright section fully working. Okay, so our footer is also ready. Now let's move to the final part of the video where we're gonna build the header.